fellow humans, do not buy a Microsoft Surface Pro or a 5. I was telling my son about this, and he said I should make a video, and I said, I'll record a video for your channel. My son, Charlie, aka Elemental Plays, will always tell you what kind of laptops not to buy. Here's a Microsoft Surface 4 on Newegg. It's expensive. And if you click through the pictures, there's no pictures of the ports. The product page on Microsoft's webpage doesn't show the ports either. But if you dig and use your Google powers, you'll find this. It only has a USB-A port and a USB-C port. But that USB-C port is trash! And I'll tell you all about it. We use the Microsoft Surface 4 at my job, and it sucks. You can't Pixie boot. What's Pixie boot? It's network boot, where you can have the operating system on a server, and most organizations, what they do is they put Windows PE over there. And when Windows PE loads, it has what's called a task sequence in it to install Windows and all your programs, install updates or whatever. You know, it's called a reimaging, whatever. But a Microsoft adapter is required for network boot, and they're not cheap. Or if you had a dock, you could use that. But in the age of teleworking, where people have mixed schedules of being in the office or at home, you're not gonna buy a dock for both places, right? Not only that, if someone needs their laptop worked on and they take it to IT, you're telling me I have to buy extra adapters and docks just to reimage them? No! So just so you know, the most popular solutions for reimaging a computer are from Microsoft. First one's called SCCM, which is now called ECM. And the free one, which you still have to have a Windows server license to run it, is MDT. But the real problem is the USB-C port. I think Microsoft trying to lock it down with their proprietary crap, pulling an Apple by making you buy extra in-brand adapters just to do the normal stuff, have caused it to bug out in other ways. It's running DisplayPort standard on that port, but if you have a monitor hooked in there, even if it's a DisplayPort on one end and USB-C at the other end, your monitor will randomly turn off. But in your display settings, it will say that it detects a monitor and it will send a signal. It thinks it's sending a signal anyway. So like you open up an app and it opens up on that other screen, except the monitor will say no signal. How do you fix it? Well, you gotta unplug all the cables from the laptop. You gotta turn off the laptop with the lid open and turn off the monitor. Wait about 5 minutes, turn the laptop on. Once it's fully booted, reconnect everything, and then turn the monitor back on. And I've had people report to me after my team at work figured this out, that they have to do this 5 or 6 times a day. You know what else is wrong with this laptop? It randomly locks up. And you can't just hold down the power button for 5 seconds like a normal laptop. No, it's 15 to 30 seconds. Oh, and guess what? If you have a mouse dongle plugged in or anything plugged into the laptop, it doesn't work. It will not shut off. You have to unplug everything first. And the Microsoft Surface 5 looks exactly the same as the Surface 4, has the same ports and everything. So don't buy that crap either. Oh, look on Newegg. It won't show us the ports of the Surface 5 either. So for this reason, I will never, ever, 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 ever buy a Microsoft brand laptop.